Welcome to our comparison of the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. In today's video, we will dive into the world of ice makers, focusing on two distinct models that cater to different needs and preferences. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is an affordable option that produces traditional bullet ice, while the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker offers the highly sought-after chewable nugget ice. We'll compare these two products across three key areas: ice type, daily capacity, and price, to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The first area of comparison is the type of ice produced by each machine. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker creates traditional bullet ice, which is great for cocktails and quick cooling. In contrast, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is favored for its texture and slow melting properties, making it ideal for beverages and cocktails. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience, depending on your preferences. Next, let's talk about daily capacity. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker can produce up to 26.5 pounds of bullet ice in a day, which is suitable for small gatherings or personal use. On the other hand, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker boasts a higher capacity of 33 pounds of nugget ice daily, making it a better choice for larger parties or households that require more ice. This higher output can be a deciding factor for those who entertain frequently. Finally, let's discuss the price point. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is priced at a budget-friendly $69.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for an economical ice solution. In contrast, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker comes with a premium price tag of $199.99, reflecting its advanced features and higher capacity. While the initial cost is higher, many users find the investment worthwhile for the quality of ice produced and the machine's performance. In conclusion, both the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The Smug is perfect for those on a budget who need quick and portable ice, while the ecozy caters to ice enthusiasts who prefer nugget ice and higher production capacity. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.